This is a brick of Impossible Burger 2.0. It is soy and potato protein that is flavored with something called heme. It's a molecule that's also found in meat. And that's what's new in the 2.0. It's a whole new recipe, actually. Impossible 2.0 has been available in restaurants for a few months now, but it's finally coming to grocery stores, so you can buy it and bring it home. So anything that you make with like beef, you could make with this. So that would be like beef burgers or beef tacos or, I don't know, beef Wellington. I don't know if you could do that. Let's make some burgers and tacos. It feels like I'm sticking my hand into someone's brain, but it feels like beef. Put a little oil in. We're gonna make some American style tacos with ground Impossible meat. Ah! It's not that it smells bad, it's just like unexpected. Like you expect it to smell like beef, but it's like nutty. 85% lean ground beef. Krantz does not know which is which. Krantz, I actually forgot which was which.
They're much brighter. I was expecting like high school cafeteria. I'm not smelling it. I'm just gonna eat. I feel like this is the meat.
Let me try it. That's Impossible. Not like that's this is the Impossible meat.
It's got a little bit of a potato flavor.
Yeah, starchy. Come to me beef.
It lacks that like bite you get from meat. I mean, it's not like terrible. It's like there's just this like, you're like, okay, yeah, this is meat. And then you're like, but is it? It's like just a little off that you recognize it.
Yeah. Makes sense having just like worked with both of them. The beef is like firmer, it holds together better. And there's just like a goopiness about the Impossible meat when it's raw. Try it with the cheese. The cheese distracted me from what I was noticing with the Impossible.
Yeah, the cheese is nice.
Sauce would go a long way too.
Oh yeah, like some really good like hot sauce. That'd be nice.
Next up, hamburgers. It's got some fat alternatives in there, like sunflower and coconut oil. That's gonna make it sizzle on the grill and give it a little greasy texture. And now it's time for the burger test. All right, grill's hot. We're putting on the Impossible burgers first. The same temperature all around, so these should cook evenly. I'm gonna put these back here. Oh, they sizzle. That's nice and familiar. Beef. So you can already see these guys starting to brown up on the bottom. Whoa. I'm not getting a crispy outside on any of them. I just don't think it gets hot enough. Here comes the burger boy. We got burgers.
I'm looking this way and not over at the burgers because he's plating them for me.
Okay, burger number one.
So I think this definitely tastes like meat and like it looks like a burger. There's all these weird spots that you get kind of the weird textural inconsistencies you get from ground meat, and the little like the bits of cartilage you'll sometimes kind of bite into, or the bits of like fat that didn't fully melt. You get all delicious. You get all of that, but it still tastes like cheap. It tastes like cheap beef. Real meat has a noticeable difference, especially as the quality improves. This makes total sense for fast food, but I just don't see it going into that like upscale burger market.
Alex, what's the verdict? Is the Impossible burger incredible?
You know it is. For fake meat, it's really, really incredible. And if I put it up against most like really cheap meat that you find at a fast food place, couldn't tell the difference. But against a real quality ground beef, like it's terrible. But I'm also a beef lover. That is true. Like I'm very, very biased, but I like it when my burger bleeds and doesn't brown.